Flowcall is an AI customer support tool for WhatsApp that can actually replace human support completely. It answers pre- and post-purchase customer queries just like a human would. Demo for a pre-purchase product recommendation. In this WhatsApp conversation, when a customer shows interest in buying a bike, the AI asks relevant details like height and budget to suggest suitable options. AI can also understand customer intent. For example, if the customer mentions a trip to Leh, the AI identifies they need a mountain bike. The AI then searches through the products in your Shopify store to recommend the best matches. The Flowcall dashboard automatically stores all customer preferences from this conversation, like height and budget, along with a conversation summary. Demo for post-purchase questions. The AI handles order status inquiries effortlessly without requiring the customer's order ID. For complex cases like returns or refunds, AI asks relevant questions, such as the reason for the refund. When a customer reports a damaged product, the AI automatically fetches all items in the order to identify the damaged one. To confirm the damage, the AI requests images of the delivered product. If an irrelevant image is sent, the AI politely rejects it and asks for the correct one. Upon receiving the correct image, the AI requests a clear label to verify the product. When the customer sends an image with a visible label, the AI reads and verifies the label before proceeding with the refund. For handover to humans, AI can automatically create tickets or actions for human agents. For example, after processing a customer's order cancellation request, AI automatically generates an order cancellation action on Flowcall dashboard, allowing a human agent to execute it and cancel the order directly on Shopify. Human agents can also disable the AI to take over a conversation, interact with the customer, and then re-enable the AI to let AI continue the conversation. Flowcall is also a complete WhatsApp marketing tool, perfect for sending broadcasts and abandoned cart notifications. It integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. For a product demo, please reach out to us.